everybody, welcome to another Meet the Bag segment with Beans Bag and Handicraft Co. Today I am introducing you to the brand new pattern by Country Cow Designs. This is the Lowarn bag. It is a small, mighty, fierce bag. I just love it. It is a handbag. It can be made with longer straps, but it is, as you can see, it's not a very big bag. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So both sides have a side zip that will fit a cell phone, keys, whatever you would like to put in there. And then, I mean, who doesn't love a barrel bag? So it has a magnetic closure here and two zippers to open it up. And then look how lovely it is inside. I'm in love. I'm very tempted to keep this one for myself. So, but maybe not. I will be putting this one up on my website my next admin day. It will be for sale. Or if you would like to order one in your choice of fabrics, you know who to contact. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.